Hello everyone, welcome to in this video. Today we will see how to use Mendeley Reference Manager, which is bit different than the Mendeley desktop. It is open source provided by the elsewhere. It is used to store, share, organize and cite the research article. So now here you can see we are going to use Google and to search Mendeley Reference Manager. Here you can see the Mendeley homepage that you have to click and enter. So you will find this type of interface. Sometimes again you have to click the free version. So download for the Windows and for MacBook and Linux it is providing link. Now we will install the reference manager. So now we will start the reference manager. Here you have to register reference manager. If provide your first name and second name, and if you are registered already then you can directly enter. See, it is open. First of all we will add the plugins. Web importer for the Chrome we will install. It will add as extension into the browser. Here you can see it is provided with this type of tool. So now you have to sign in again by using your Mendeley user ID and password. So next we will add here Microsoft support, the Mendeley Cite. So again you have to install it by adding Microsoft account detail. You have to use Microsoft user ID and password and sign in. So again you have to add the details for Mendeley Cite and country details you have to add. Now it is started. Now you can open inside the Word file. You can see it is attached here into the Word file. So now you can start the Mendeley Cite. Again you have to sign in by using Mendeley user ID and password. So now it is open Mendeley Cite. By using this, now you can add some PDF inside the library. Now you can see here you can watch the library details and also you can find it by search. So from web source again you have to use this tool, extension tool, by which you can add any article inside the Mendeley. Here you can see it is added in the library. Now Mendeley Cite is ready to use. We will start the Word file. You have to select the place in reference in the paragraph, the place where you have to cite. Select and simply select and insert. So you can see it has cite the article. You can add more in that same place. Again you can add at a time more articles in the paragraph and cite. This is how you can cite easily. Or you can change the reference style, citing style also as per the general requirement. Whatever site you want you can install. So this is how you can cite any article simply. And now you can add the, you have to go in more and you will find a bibliography. option that you have to click. We will see the written references all by one click you can find. So here you have to use two plugins, Web Importer and Mendeley Cite support for Microsoft.